Okay, so this is the IBO software, guys. Once you log into your account, you have several different options inside the software. You can either post to your wall right here, which would automatically post your ads, and this worked the same way as the pretty much similar to the Facebook posting software, but it has a better twist to it. And I'm going to go ahead and explain that in a minute. And the login function is the same way. You just put in your username and your password, and you can log in. You can back up your login information, restore, reset the software, log into a different profile. And over here, because like I said before, we want to keep everything pretty much normal without having to overdo it. So the settings is the same way, 15 to 5 to 10 minutes, and this is in between each post, guys. You can just set it and forget it and do whatever it is that you have to do. Over here is where you put the how many ads you want to post, or how many members you want to send a message to. You can just put that right in here. If you leave this blank when posting on the wall, it will just post all of your ads until it runs out. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can actually put your ads, and the ads going to be in spin format the same way. And let me just go to my desktop and bring up my ads. And the difference with the IBO ads, guys, there's only you can just put all the URLs in one ad, and I'm going to show you in a second how I do it. And let me just go back over here and show you guys, you know, if you get all the headlines from within inside the Build My Income Daily back office, and you have them all in one straight line here, you just copy them. And this is if you're using the Spin Hat software. Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and clear all of this stuff out of here. And you just put them in here. And I want to put, let's say for instance I have a URL that I want to use, and I'm just going to put in, let's say I wanted to use the Build My Income Daily website link here. And this, whatever opportunities that you're advertising, you can do it the same way. It doesn't matter. This is just you know, for an example and showing you guys how this works. If you just put all your headlines in one text file, and then you can have, and if I want to put different URLs, like if I want to put different URLs in here, I can do the same thing in here. Let's just say I wanted to put URL 1, and you can do the same thing with keywords as well. And this would be URL 1, URL 2. And all I have to do is click on random words, and this is going to automatically put the URL behind all of the URLs randomly. Okay, I just click random, and as you can see, it automatically insert the URLs behind all of the ads for me. So I can just go ahead and clear this section out, okay, because it's going to automatically put all these URLs into the ads for me instantly. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this out, copy this section over here, okay. So I just copy this section, and then come back over to this section over here, and just click paste, and it's going to paste all of my ads in over here. And then I'm going to go back over to the right, clear this section out, and then now I want to click on spin tax right here. Okay, so I just spin all of them, and just come back over here, and well, I don't need the right click, and just click on copy. Okay, so it's going to copy all of them. I just clear this out, clear this out. And then I'm going to go over, and I want to test my ads, make sure that there is no errors in it. As you can see, it put all the URLs and everything in here. And what I'm going to do now is come up on the edit, replace, and then now I want to remove all of those spaces if there's any spaces so that the software runs correctly. So I'm going to do the same thing. And this is the straight line, guys, and you put the straight line right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click replace all, and the software would go through it. So there was none in there, so I'm going to close this one right here and then do it again. So this is the space in the front of the straight line. So there, you don't want a space in the front of the straight line. There can't be any space in order for the software to run correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and replace all, and then now there should be no spaces at all in there. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, okay, and make sure that this is not in spin format, and make sure it's all in one straight line. And I can just copy this right here, go back over to the software, and I'm going to just paste my ads right in here, okay. Now I'm not going to run this because the URLs are not correct, but let me just go ahead and replace them so that they do run correctly. Give me 1 second. And I'm going to do this over. I should have done that before. Sorry about that, guys. Let me just go ahead and format this correctly. And make sure, because the URLs are no good. I'll just do it over. So just come over to my headlines, copy all of them, paste them in here. And then I'm going to come in here and making sure, and let's just say if I wanted to use different capture pages as this is going out. So I'll just come over here, put the, whatever the capture page is, r/my username, /, and this would be AC page 1.html. And let me just making sure that this is a correct URL. And this is how you can advertise all of your capture pages at one time. I think someone had asked me that before, and I tell them that I advertise all of my capture pages all at one time. And I just put them in the spin format. Even on Backpage, I'll create ads that has well, different images that have different URLs in them, and run them all at one time. So I'm going to come back over to the software. Since that is the correct format, and I'll come at the end of this one here and make sure I copy this. Okay, so this is going to be a different URL right here, and this is going to be capture page 2, and you can go ahead and do as many of them in here as you want, guys. As you can see, this is the main page right here, then capture page 1, capture page 2, and I'm going to just go ahead and just click random words right here. And that's going to insert the URLs behind, randomly going down and behind all of the headlines in there. So I'm going to just go ahead and copy this, and then clear this out, and then go over to the other side, clear that out, and then click paste. Okay, and then now I'm going to go ahead and spin this. So I'm going to click on spin text right here. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and clear this side out, and then copy this from here, and then put it into my notepad to remove any errors that might occur inside the software. So I'm going to go ahead and I want to remove any space in front or behind the straight line. So I'm going to go over here to find or edit and then replace, and I'm going to put a space, straight line, okay, space one more time, and then come down to the bottom and just put the straight line, and then click replace all. And as you can see, there was a shift inside the text on the background. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the space from behind it, click replace again, and then now I'll come back and that should be done. Okay, so there should be no spaces, no errors. It should all be formatted correctly. And just close this, select all, or just save it to a file so it's if I want to use it again. And now I'm going to go back into the software, and let me just remove all of that from out of there, and then paste that in there. And then now what I'm going to do, guys, if you want to select different times in there, you can do that. And what I'm going to do now is click on wall post right here, okay? And you're going to notice it randomly posting right here. It's going to post one at a time, and it's only going to post every 5 to 10 minutes, okay? And this is when I normally have a few softwares open at the same time. Either Facebook, the Backpage, and let's have them doing everything for me. See right here, wall post automatically says 0, and then it automatically posts my ad right here. Okay. Let me just scroll up. There is my ad right here. As you can see, it says this is just too easy, and then it have the clickable link right here. Okay. And then now the software is going to stop. It'll wait 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see here, it's telling you how many seconds it's going to wait. This is going to be random. It might say 525 seconds before the next post, and then that's it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop that and show you guys the next step in here. So go ahead and stop. Okay, now let's just say once I stop that, I want to now go ahead and start finding people that I want to start searching for and associating with them. So I'm going to go click on my wall post. Well, actually, I don't have to click on wall, or the home actually. Click on, just stop that. Click on home, and you can just wait for it to load. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on my associates right here. You can just close that. Click on my associates. And you can either automatically accept people that send you requests. Let's see if I have any pending requests in here. Excuse me. Okay, you can see I have 4 pending requests. So I'm going to go ahead and click on accept. Okay, as you can see, it's automatically accepting those requests for me without me manually having to do it. So it's already sent to 1, accepted the other one, that's 2, and it's going to automatically accept all of them for me automatically. So my request has been accepted. And then now let's say I want to go ahead and search for people that I want to start associating with. So I'm going to just go ahead and make sure I stop this. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on search. Okay. Okay, so just wait for that to load. And it loads a lot faster when, because I'm on a webinar, it's using up a lot of my bandwidth. It's moving a little bit slower. And guys, there's a lot of different criteria you can actually search for. This is real powerful as well. Like I told you guys before, this is all business people on IBOToolbox, guys. So, I mean, you could get a lot of leads and, I mean, get a lot of business by using IBO. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and come down here to the bottom. I'm not going to go ahead and use any of the other stuff up to the top, but you can actually search however you want to do it. I'm going to come down here, and I don't want this to bring up people that's I'm already associated to. So I'm going to go ahead and look for people that I'm not, that is not associated with me already. I want to look for people, to start associating with new people. So I'm going to go ahead and select the range for new people that join or when people joined before. And I'm going to just do this from yesterday. So this is going to bring up all of the people that joined IBO between yesterday and today. So I'm going to go ahead and click on search. And this is going to bring up all of the people that actually just joined IBO. As you can see right here, there's probably about maybe 30. So once that's finished, you just click on members right here. Okay. So it says stop. Click on members. And that's going to automatically load all of them. So there's about 30 of them right here. As you can see right here, it says 30. And then now what I'm going to do, guys, so what you're going to have to do is just click on associate. Okay, right here. And this is going to automatically start sending requests to those people for you automatically. See right here? You see it working. And now it's going to wait, but in between sending requests to those people for you to associate with. So just wait a couple of seconds. It's doing it automatically, and it's telling you the amount of people that you actually send requests to. Now, if it come across a profile that's already, well, it shouldn't come across a profile that's already associated, because if you select in the search option that you only want to look for people that's that you're not associated with, those are the people that's gonna come up, and then it'll start sending requests to those people. So you can do a lot of different type searches with inside IBO, guys, depending on what it is that you're trying to do. If you want to randomly, associate with anybody and building your contact list over there, then you can just use a general search like I'm doing right now, or you can just break it down according to however you want to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this right here. Okay, so that's how that worked. And let's just say, for instance, now I want to go ahead and start sending out a request to all of the people that's on my list. So I'm going to go back over here, go to home. Okay, and just wait for it to load. Okay, so I'm gonna just go to my associates over here. You just click on my associates on your profile. Okay, and wait for that to load. And just click on members. Okay, so it's gonna start loading all of my members. As you can see right here, I have let me just make sure and see how many members I have. I probably have about 1,200 or 1,300, something like that. I have almost 1,300 associates. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this right here, guys, because I don't want to load all of them. So I'm going to just go ahead and stop this. And then over here, you can see you can either you can spin your messages. It's going to automatically put the person name into the messages as it's sending out. And guys, I'm going to be real clear about this. Do not use it to bluntly spam people. You can associate and do things in a way where you're not bluntly, sending advertising to people and bluntly advertising to them. You want to be as professional as possible, guys. So you can put in here, you can do the brackets the same way you can spin it. Hi, straight line, hello, whatever you want to put in there, guys. Okay. And then now you can come down here into this section over here, and because wherever they live, let's say for instance I live in Miami. You can ask them about how's the weather in Miami. Wherever there is, it's going to automatically do that for you. So all you have to do is just put in here, okay? I'm going to put how is the weather in, and that's it, okay? And you can do another straight line and then put whatever else that you want to put in there. But I hope you guys are getting the point here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put close that right here, okay? So it's just gonna say hello, whatever the person name is, or hi. How is the weather in whatever city or state or wherever there is. And then now I'm gonna put my message to the bottom here, guys. And this is where it could be real powerful if you use it as a signature without bluntly advertising to somebody. So I'm going to put in here, thank you for the connection. Here on IBO to learn more about me, please view my profile. Okay, and then I'll put I am looking forward to make sure I write that correctly, networking with you. And you can put, however you put it in here, that's how it's going to show up, guys. Wishing you much success. And I'll just put my signature here. Marvin, forgetting to spell my own name. Could tell I need some coffee, some sleep. And this is where you can put your little advertising, guys, a one-liner. You can put a call to action right below your headline. And here I'm going to put you can, and this is where you put something that's really going to catch their attention. You can get paid instantly. I just put up to $100 to your account. And just put a little enter, and then I'll put my website here, whatever website it is that you're advertising. In my case, I just put the my income daily.com, or if you have one of those URL shorteners, you can make it even sweeter by using a custom URL and just putting instant cash now and inside of it. And then once you're done, all you got to do is click on message, okay? And if you want to see how it's formatted, I just copy this out of here and go to a text file. And you can wrap all of this right here. Let's say you want this to wrap right here so you can see exactly how it looks. And then you can paste it back in there however you want it to show up. So as you can see right here, it says, thank you for the connection here on IBO. To learn more about me, or you can just put this piece right here instead. However you want to do it. Thank you for the connection here on IBO. I am looking forward to networking with you. To learn more about me, please view my profile. Wishing you much success, Marvin Williams. And then right below your signature, right below your name, you want to go ahead and put whatever it is that you're advertising, or not like I said before. You can put your little signature advertising right to the bottom of it. That way, you're not bluntly advertising to people, guys. You get a lot more. You get a better response when you're doing it this way rather than bluntly, just using it to spam people bluntly. So you do it this way. You're making a connection with the person. It's personal, and you're pretty much going to start making a lot of friends and doing it this way right here. People respond back to you. When you just bluntly advertise to them, they're just going to start ignoring you, and then you might actually start getting in trouble with IBO by bluntly advertising to people anyway. So if you use the software correctly, it could be real powerful for you. You'll be able to make a lot of money on a daily basis, driving a lot of traffic to whatever business or services or products it is that you're advertising in the process. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and copy this out of here and then go back, and I'll just paste that in there. Okay, and then all I have to do is just click on message. Okay, and as you can see, it's going to change right to the bottom here. It's going to bring up that person information to the bottom over here, right here. Okay, it's going to paste that in there. As you can see right here, just put all of my information in there. Now that's been sent. Okay, it's going to wait 30 seconds and then post to the next person. Okay, right when it says, it's going to tell you the amount of messages that's been sent right here. Making sure that's been being updated correctly. All right, so it goes back over to the person. Back over to the messages. It's going to send that other one. Automatically putting the person name in there and where they're located, guys. It says Virginia. It's going to be asking Maria here, how is the weather in Virginia? It's going to either say hi, hello. As you can see right here, one has been posted, and then once this one has been confirmed, it'll come back over after this amount of time and then post the other one. So as you can see, guys, this is very, very powerful in how this all works. You can use it, get a lot of, build a huge list on IBOToolbox, start associating with them, and start, driving a lot of traffic to whatever it is that you're advertising. Like I said before, product, services, doesn't matter. You'd be able to use it and, get a lot of leads and what's not from this program, this software. Okay, so just wait for that to send out another one. As you can see, it's automatically changing. Okay, so it says the person name, insert there. Real simple stuff, guys. Real powerful. Okay. So just wait and then send that to the next person, and then it's pretty much, as you can see, the times is random. Okay, it's not doing it. Fast. It's not posting to all 150 members at one time. So I just go ahead and stop this right here, guys. So, I just want to show you guys and give you an idea how powerful this is. As you can see right here, it's telling you right here. Okay, you go ahead and stop this, and as you can see, it posted to 3 people. Just posted to the 4th one. Let me just make sure this is stopped. Okay. Real simple, but yet powerful, guys. A lot of functions to it. We're going to be adding some more features to this as well, where you'll be able to post comments as well, like wall posts. Let me just click back over here. It'll be able to come into your wall, go over the posts, what people are posting on the wall, like them, and then comment on them as well. Giving you a higher rating inside IBO to really boost your presence and start really branding yourself. So anyway, that's how this here works. Let me just go ahead and stop this and then come back over to your webinar, see if anyone have any questions.